Welcome everyone. We're in front of a brand new listing in the wonderful city of Mission Viejo. This property is located in the community of Palmia, which is a 55 adult, older or plus community. The address here is 21356 Carabela, again in Mission Viejo. So this 3-bedroom home, 2-bath, about 1,900 square foot home is highly upgraded. It's gorgeous inside. Let's go take a look. The property boasts also a 2-car garage. Now the entry is here on the side. You have a front gated entry. Oh, by the way, Palmia is a 24 gated community. So here's your front door with a nice little bench here. We have block wall fencing. Let's go inside. So as you enter the home, you notice we have tile flooring, a nice little chandelier, upgraded lighting throughout. And then the tile floor transitions into the living room dining area with nice hardwood floors. These floors are the engineered type. You have a slider that goes outside to one of the 2 patio areas. So from this nice open living room, it's nice and airy, very nice. Again, you got your formal dining area, and then we can lead into the kitchen from here. So you notice that in the kitchen, it's highly upgraded. Nice granite countertops. You have a granite backsplash. You have a nice center island, which is very convenient. The cabinets are a nice rich oak and nice, very nice, good shape. You have gas burner, which is nice. Microwave, oven. And here you have a nice open pantry. 2 areas here. Everybody wants to have a lot of storage space, so you can see what that's like. So you have your pantry here. Nice, sunny. You've got the sun radiates through this way, so you have a lot of windows that bring in a lot of sunlight. You've got your casual dining in the kitchen. And then from here, we transition into the family room. Nice high ceiling, LED lighting recessed. You have a media center here and your nice cozy fireplace with a tile surround. So again, nice colors, neutral. You have your hardwood floors here. In the kitchen, you had the tile floors from the entry. Let's go look at the master bedroom. So we open the double doors into the master suite. Here again, you have your high ceilings, nice ceiling fan. Again, you've got the hardwood floors, nice windows, dual pane windows, vinyl windows looking out into the private area in the back, which is really nice. So you can wake up in the morning, it's sunny, it's bright. Then we go into the master bath. You have a separate shower with a little seat here, which is nice. A soaking tub, dual vanities, and from here, you go into the walk-in closet and the commode next to that. Let's go look at the den. So now we're entering the 3rd bedroom with double doors. Now the builder, it's a builder option. This could be a den or office, which it currently is right now, or a 3rd bedroom. So with the 3rd bedroom currently being an office, you've got built-in desk here, shelving, cabinets, very convenient, high ceilings again, and a nice window here. This allows you to watch anybody who might be coming into your front door. Let's go look at the other bedrooms. So as we walk down the hallway, you have a door that leads into the garage, the attached garage. It has overhead storage, which is convenient. You've got your linen area here. And as we turn the corner, you could either go into the inside laundry area, which has tile flooring and cabinets, or to the secondary bathroom, which has a tub, a walk-in tub and shower, and then to the other bedroom that has a walk-in closet. So here we are in the backyard. This exposure, so you're gonna wake up with the southeast exposure, so it's nice and sunny in the morning. You have a nice area for coffee and croissants, low maintenance backyard, and it backs up to the association slope, so it makes the whole backyard feeling seem much larger because you have the slope behind you, it's private. Nice little barbecue area here. Now this goes around to the side. The area that I showed you off the living room and dining room, there's a little patio there that comes around this way. So if you're considering buying a home in a retirement community, Palmia is a place to be. This is a premier adult community in Orange County. So if you like it, get a hold of your agent and take care and be safe.